Every Jambo community comes with a dynamic landing page, communityname.jambo.in, where prospective members can explore, register, and log in. Admins can customize sections like About Us, Events, Jobs, and Memberships using the website builder to match their branding. First, log into your Jambo account and access the dashboard. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Navigate to the Branding and Builder tab, then click Configure to start customizing your landing page. First, select the sections you want to display on your landing page. You can choose from sections like About Us, Events, Jobs, Discussions, and more. Once you've made your selections, click Next to begin customization. You can always return to this screen later if you need to add or remove sections. Each selected section appears in a left side panel. Click on any section to customize its content. Let's start with the Hero banner, the first thing visitors will see. Here, you can upload multiple banner images, add a logo, title, and subtext to introduce your community. The About Us section lets you add a community description, an image, and multiple paragraphs to share your values and goals. In Committee Members, you can add profiles with photos, names, designations, and social media links. Entering a link automatically generates the relevant icon. The Events, Memberships, and Jobs sections automatically pull live data from your community. Just make sure events are published, or they won't appear. For discussions, only content from default groups will appear. Lastly, customize your footer with an address, contact details, and social media links. As with other sections, entering a link will automatically generate an icon. Before publishing, click Preview to see how your landing page looks. Once satisfied, click Publish to make the landing page live. Want your landing page to match your community's branding? Customize it in the Custom Branding tab. Jambo is always evolving. If you spot new settings not covered here, check out our latest FAQ section on the Help platform. See you in the next tutorial.